Well, as you can see there, we're at a Tennessee emergency level 3. Oh, power was off for 1 hour. It just came back on. They're constantly doing rolling restarts. My house has gone into level 2, is what I call it. I've designed my house in such a way where I can warm certain rooms at any time. And as long as the pipes were still working, we had the heat traveling throughout the whole house. I have those gas heaters on the walls. Well, the pipes were froze, all of them. There was no water in the house whatsoever, which was expected. So, being that happened, we've now gone into level 2 shutdown, is what I call it. 2 moving blankets are placed on 2 doorways. So there's one doorway that comes in the living room and another doorway that comes in. We nail up 2 moving blankets and we seal that room. That room is in a high 70-degree Fahrenheit, nice and warm. And all the animals, and it's a nice place to warm up when you need to. My wife's bedroom, same thing. Shut the door, crank the heat, and that turns that room into a completely sealed warm room. So I have 2 rooms in the house that has great heat to it. The bunker, not so good. I have a split deluxe heater air conditioner, and when it gets too cold, it does not work. It just airs out. Anything below, I guess 10, minus 10. I have an electric heater. You may hear it in the background. It's running full tilt. I mean, it's not warm, but it's taking the edge off. As you can see, I'm sitting here wearing a hat. I have 3 coats on, a pair of gloves, long johns, another pair of pants. I mean, I am triple layered. I've even got my quilt over top of me. And I'm okay and warm, but I could go in the house if I need to. The animals down here seem to be pretty warm. On the bed, I have 3 comforters. I could pull a sleeping bag out if I had to. But one usually likes to go underneath the covers, but the majority of them are on top. So, I have no idea if they're going to do rolling restarts again. But, man, it is mother fucking cold, man. Even though I prepared for all this, especially those 2 rooms, I never thought I'd be going through anything like this. Now, Wednesday we go up into the 50s, but what's that, another 3 days? This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Hope you guys are staying warm. I'm okay. But very, very uncomfortable. Nobody's taking any baths or showers until Wednesday, which is another 3 days. We're going to smell pretty good. And it's just like we're doing dead time. And that's it. Now, what we did for food, we have a big pot of chicken soup we made. And, well, now the power's on, it can be warmed up on the stove. But I do have multiple ways to cook. I mean, I have propane, I have, because I camp all the time, so I have multiple ways of doing that, so that's not a big deal. But this is definitely testing. Now, like I said, if I wanted to, I could go upstairs to that one room and I could be quite warm and do okay. So, but that one heater seems to be taking the edge off down here. None of the animals are shivering or cold or because they all got their fur coats on. But Tennessee is in a state of emergency. I may go down the street and I'm going to. I'm going to go down the street to a couple old people I know. There's one old lady I know. I'm going to go down and see if she's okay. And go and check on another person and see if they're okay. And see what they've got in place for their for them staying warm. Wow. But everybody's connected in Facebook really well when we do have power. Um, my one neighbor across the way was talking to me, and quite a few others in town. We seem to be all keeping track of each other, and we're asking each other, "How you doing over there? Do you got enough blankets?" And we're gonna make it in this state of emergency in Tennessee. I'll catch you guys on the next one.